The code, the international standards requires that before an athlete is tested, they must be educated. So that when an athlete tests positive, the first question they are asked during the prosecution of the anti-doping rule violation will be whether they were aware of their requirement. If they say they have never been educated, then that weakens the case for the agency. But when you educate them, even if they don't show up, like now, AK has a list of those who are supposed to be competing in the World Championships, and that's what we are preparing for at the moment. That's what we had in Nairobi, and that's what we are supposed to have in Nandi. In preparation for the World Championships, we are supposed to have 3 sessions of education to the athletes that are probably going to qualify to participate. Issues of food supplements. Sometimes they take food supplements which are contaminated, not because they want to dope, but they think the food supplements are clean. And in the process, they find that the food supplement they took had some prohibited substances. So we want to tell them the facts that food supplements are not always clean.